president is Mr. Ankush Jha from Spur.
Good afternoon to all of you present here. Today we have standed here to go about the topic eradicate corruption, build a new India. When we talk about the thing what is corruption, the basic has already been told by our recent speakers. But how it will improve, how its treatment will be done in our society, the basic cause of corruption should be entitled here. So my friends, we are standing here. We have been thinking some of the times and sharing WhatsApp and the Facebook ideas that why the India has been so corrupted, why the India has been lagging behind the America, France and Russia. What is the basic cause behind it? The basic cause behind is the corruption. We are sitting in an AC room and discussing that, oh my dear, why we are lagging behind. It won't be that. In the presidency election in America, the one candidate come and asked the John F. Kennedy, what is America doing for us? The president replied, my dear friend, that don't ask what America is doing for you. Ask yourself what you can do for the America. You are listening my thoughts, and some of you from the audience should ask that should we do any consigning that we can eradicate corruption. We have to stand. We have to take a stand. If Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru have thought in their past that I alone cannot guarantee that India will be free from this freedom, that we cannot alone, I know, but we should have an initiative. The President, the Prime Minister Modi has on 8 November 2016 declared that today will be demonetization. That the demonetization have been failed, but think about the initiative which have been done. We can also have an initiative that yes, from today onwards we will not do. The initiative can be small or big, doesn't matter, but yes, start from yourself, then from the society and then to the nation. The seed should be sown from today itself, and it may take time, it may take 20 years, 10 years, today or after today. The seed has been sown, my dear friend, and it will surely fructify in a day. The result will come to you, not in a clear way, but yes, to some extent it will be proper to our society. If we'll talk the basic cause, I will determine that the basic cause about the corruption is the society, and basic is that the education system. Whatever we study, whatever we got from our parents, it has been a hierarchy to us. We are talking that our parents, if we are, most of you are youth, from some of you will become the parents afterward. You will think that yes, a phone is ringing to a parent and he's saying that tell your friend that I'm not here, I'm in the way. This is also a type of corruption. The corruption has been a DNA to ourselves. Be the bacteria or virus of that and spread and kill the immunity of the corrupt people. Why can't we expect a change? The change there will be a time when you will see a change. I was coming with my friend and he told me that if any traffic police will bind me from if I'm not having any driving license, I would give simply 100 rupees and I can come back. The thought which has been enlightened in his mind, that nobody can guarantee that yes, he will get a chance or not, but he is not thinking. We have become so individualistic. Our society, our education system has made us academically so entitled in us that we have been engulfed. We have been engulfed in our mind, in our system. The system can be of varying distances. It should be a caste system or from an individualistic to a society. We should not think for ourselves, but yes, for our